Hello students, welcome to Cost Accounting. This is Professor Rohini from Brain Labs Education. In this session, we are going to cover Unit 3, Material Costing. Topics covered in this video are problems on FIFO and LIFO. Now let us start with the first problem. The following details are available with reference of material A during the month of January 2022. They have given you the information about the opening stock, units received, units issued, then again units received, received and issued. You have to ascertain the value of stock for 10th January by preparing the store's ledger account under FIFO method. That is first in and first out method. Whatever the goods which we receive at the first phase will be given out to the departments for the production at a first level. So whichever goods comes at a first will be sent for the production at a first. So they have given you the information of various materials received, various materials being distributed or issued. Based on this information, we have to calculate the stock level for 10th January. Now let us start with the solution. So when it comes to the solution, you have to make the format ready, date column, particulars, receipt, issue and balance. Since we are following the FIFO method, we will write the heading as stored ledger under which FIFO method, that is first in and first out. On January 1st, you have the opening balance of how many units? 200 units at 3 rupees per unit, which worth is of 600 rupees. So on January 2nd, you have received the goods of 300 units, which is 4 rupees per unit. So I'll take it in the receipt column since we have received the goods. So 300 per unit is 4. So 300 into 4, how much you will get? The total amount of 1200 rupees. So 300 into 4, that is quantity into rate, you will get the total amount. So similarly, we will record the same in the balance. I have received in this month 300 units, which is costing rupees 4 per unit. So 300 into 4, the total is 1200 rupees. So among these goods, in the January 4th, they have asked me to issue the goods of rupees 250 units. So when you have to issue the goods of 250 units, you have to first consider the units which are at the first in the category. We have the opening balance already with us, which is at the first in category, that is 200 units. So we will issue the 200 units first. So 200, 3 per unit. So total amount is 600 rupees. They have asked me to issue 250 units. Now I have given the 200 units, which is the first stock available. As the FIFO says, first in. Which comes first will be sent out first. So 200 units were first. We sent that 200 units. Remaining 50 units will be taken from this 300 units. So 50 units into per unit value is rupees 4. So 50 into 4, how much you will get? 200 rupees. 50 into 4, 200. Now, what is the balance remaining with you? See, the 200 is being completely issued. In this 300, you have issued only 50 units. So, 300 minus 50, you will be having 250 units worth of 4 rupees per unit. So, 250 into 4, you will get how much of rupees? You will get 2000 rupees. 250 into 4, it will be 2000. And on January 6th, you have received the goods. Whenever you receive certain units, it has to be recorded in the receipt column. You have received the goods of 100 units, 100 into 2 rupees per unit.
College to Company, a comprehensive NEP syllabus-focused e-learning platform for undergraduate students. Subscribe now.